Hi everyone, and welcome to MarkSharks study sessions. Let's start today with a speed test. No, not a running race, but a super speed challenge. Imagine you're hanging out with the Flash, the fastest superhero ever. Now, the Flash is famous for running faster than the speed of sound and even the speed of light. But did you know that in real life, the speed of light and the speed of sound are quite different from each other? Let's dive into why that is. First, let's talk about the speed of sound. Sound travels through air at about 343 meters per second. That's pretty fast, but not as fast as the Flash. When you hear a clap of thunder or the honk of a car horn, you're actually hearing the sound traveling to you at this speed. Think about a fireworks show. You see the flash of light before you hear the boom of the explosion. That's because light travels faster than sound. Let's break it down. The speed of light is around 300,000 kilometers per second, way faster than sound. To put it in perspective, if you could travel at the speed of light, you could circle the Earth about 7.5 times in just 1 second. Light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach us. That means when you look at the sun, you're actually seeing it as it was 8 minutes ago. So why is light so much faster than sound? It all comes down to how they travel. Sound needs a medium, like air, water, or solid materials, to move through. When you clap your hands, the sound waves travel through the air by making the air molecules vibrate and push each other. This process takes time. Imagine you're in a pool. If you shout underwater, you'll hear your voice more clearly and a bit faster than if you shout above the water. That's because sound travels better in water than in air. Light, on the other hand, doesn't need a medium. It travels through the vacuum of space and through air without needing anything to push against. Light waves are electromagnetic waves, which means they can move through the empty space between stars and planets. That's why we can see the light from the sun even though space is mostly empty. Let's think about lightning. When you see a flash of lightning during a storm, you see it before you hear the thunder. That's because the light from the lightning travels to you almost instantly, while the sound of thunder takes longer to reach you because it moves more slowly. Here's a fun activity for you. Next time you're watching a fireworks show or a storm, try to count the seconds between the flash of light and the sound you hear. Each second you count is about 343 meters. So you can estimate how far away the fireworks or storm is from you. So remember, while the Flash might be the fastest superhero in our world, light is the real speedster, zooming around way faster than sound. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate the amazing ways in which our universe works, from the stars above to the sounds all around us. That's all for today's speed lesson. Keep your curiosity fast and your questions even faster. Give this video a like so it can reach other viewers like yourselves, and let us know in the comment section below what cool concept you would like to know in our fun MarkSharks way. Follow MarkSharks on our YouTube channel, Facebook, and Instagram so you can stay connected and watch our next MarkSharks study session. To download and try MarkSharks for free, click the link in the description box below. See you next time on MarkSharks. It's not about studying, it's about learning by doing.